Hi, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and today I wanted to show you our fairy village kit and just show you how you might put it together in a flower pot at home. So I started with a plastic planter from my local garden centre. It's a nice big round one, and then I've just filled it with normal potting compost, and then I've collected some moss and popped that into different areas in the planter. I've also used some coloured gravel, which I purchased from a local garden centre, but you can also use aquarium gravel, which normally comes in lots of nice colours, or you can just use natural gravel as well. It's up to you. So what I'm doing now is just creating some different pathways within my fairy village setting. You can add real plants to your fairy garden, but that of course is optional, but I always like to add real plants. So I've already planted a dwarf pansy. It's not in flower yet, but I've just got a few other options here. I've got a nice grape hyacinth and a really attractive primula. You could also use herbs from the supermarket as well if you wanted to create a herb garden. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to plant my hyacinth here. We also have an attractive primula here, which is really lovely springtime plant. Okay, so there's our basic setup in our planter. We've got our plants in, we've got moss, and we've got some gravel pathways. So next we're going to add our fairy houses. So this is the solar sunflower house. As you can see, it has a solar panel on the back. That's going to charge up during the day and light up at night. It's really cute, has an outdoor lamp and a little dragonfly on the roof, so that's going to all glow after dark and look really fabulous. We love the fairy village kit because it's got 3 spectacular solar houses in it. The second house we're going to add is the solar thatch. Again, it has a panel on the back and it has lots of lovely detailing, including a butterfly on the roof and lots of beautiful flowers around the thatch, cute little door and 2 windows. These solar houses are great because they don't need direct sunlight as long as they get some daylight, and when you turn the button on the back, they'll automatically come on after dark. Lastly, we're going to add the solar apple house, which again is superbly detailed with an outdoor lamp, little flower pots and cute little windows and door. Our fairy village is really starting to come together now, so all we're going to do is add our accessories. We're going to pop the wishing well here. It's a nice focal point for the village and the fairies can gather around it. Included in the kit is 3 glow-in-the-dark lamps, so I'm going to pop one outside each house. Okay, I'm going to add our wooden fairy sign, which is directing us to Lake Lily Pad, Snail Trail and Frog Crossing. Well, you can't have a fairy village without fairies, so we're going to add some inhabitants now. We've got the purple and pink blossom fairies, so I'm just going to pop them in the garden. That's our fairy village finished, and as you can see, it's really simple to do. It would also work equally as well just in the garden. You don't need to use a planter. As you can see, the houses look really effective after dark. They glow in a really inviting way, beckoning the fairies to move in. They also work really well as a night light in a child's bedroom. So thanks for watching. The Fairy Village kit is available on our website. We also have a bigger range of kits available. So have fun and happy fairy gardening.